Hey everyone, this is Ben Bates, and today we are going to be looking at how a power brace is installed. And a power brace is a product that we have that is designed to stop a bowing wall from leaning in any further, and under the right circumstances, it can also push a wall back straight. And you're looking at Kevin and Jordan, and they're two of our experts in the power brace field. And as you can see, they're in a tight finished basement here. Not a lot of room to work, but it's a pretty short wall, so they're going to be getting this installation done fairly quickly. Now, they are going to be fastening the power brace brackets to the floor joist system and also into the footing. And when you have a free estimate done, or if you look more on our website, you'll see how this disperses the load evenly and safely throughout the home. And what is it dispersing? Well, it's dispersing the weight from the soil that is causing this wall to push in. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions, visit our website or give us a call.
Today. I've had enough, really, to be honest with you.
Nothing no worse, eh? And having structural problems and stuff like that. If you guys don't mind coming and do it, I'll pay for the rental truck. And, whatever works.
They're heavy duty bolts.
Oh, yeah.
They're not self-locking nuts, are they?
No,
They're just straight nuts.
just plain nuts. Yeah.
And well, they should never back off.
Let's get it started. Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't move it too much. I'm not moving it. I gotta level it yet. It's not level. So I said I don't want this tight. Alright, there.
Is the voice creaking? I mean, I could do it myself.
Yeah.
But what? So you only torque to 50 pounds?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, 50
Because
psi.
I got when they did that, they left me the torque wrench.
Oh, so you got a torque wrench, then you're good to go.
They that was part of the package. I get a free torque wrench. Spend thousands to get a free torque.
Yeah.
So his pile outside the building.
The thing is, you bring in like in Rondo Bay here, so we send the water over
Constantly pumping.
every 20 seconds. Our big one in with the triple safe with the 3 pumps and everything.